Hello guys, my name is Sanmay Vinay Dahai and welcome back to my YouTube channel Just Telling You. So, Satya Nadella, the CEO of Microsoft, Sundar Pichai, CEO of Google, and currently the Parag Agrawal, CEO of Twitter. Why these intellectual people and the technocrats are what are the advantages that we get from these people, and what is the solution of this of the brain drain? So, what is a brain drain? Brain drain, the term was coined by the Royal Society to describe the immigration of technocrats and the scientific and the intellectual people to the North America from the post-war of Europe. Brain drain, in the layman language, we describe as a migration of a healthy person in search of a better standard of life and quality of life. Why these intellectual and technocrats people are leaving India? First, unemployment and underpaid jobs. As we know that in the underdeveloping country, the wages are really less as compared to the developed nations. Lack of research opportunity. India's gross domestic expenditure are on the research are 0.7% of the GDP, which is really less than as compared to the developed nations. Third, standard of living. In the developed nation, the quality of life is really high, and that quality of life attract many peoples. If you consider intellectual and technocrats people are receive more facility as compared to the normal people in the developed nations. Fourth, political instability. When the government changes, it could be affect the policies also, and many other issues like corruption, red tapeism, etc. Do you know the famous personality from the Indian origin? If we classify them into the sum of categories like politicians, technocrats, musicians, and in the filmmakers. So, in the political area, if you consider the Prime Minister of Ireland, Leo Varadkar, Prime Minister of Portugal, Antonio Costa, the Vice President of Suriname, Ashwin Adin. So, these are the examples in the field of political area. So, in the music field, Pandit Ravi Shankar, Ali Akbar Khan, Zubin Mehta. So, in the filmmaking, Pratik Basu, Welcome to the Family, Anmol Chadda, Sonia Mehta, Yellow April, When Coolie Become Cool, Meera Nair, Mississippi Masala, Salam Bombay. So, what are the advantages that we get from the brain drain? According to the World Bank report, the global remittances accounting for $689 billion. In that, India accounting for $79 billion, which is very high in numbers. Second, technological transfer. Technological transfer, which would not be possible without the help of an India's diaspora contribution. If we take example of Bangalore, Hyderabad, Gurgaon, Pune, Mumbai, this is one of the best example of IT hubs in India. Third, Indian diaspora also boosted India's image in the abroad. If we consider the Indian diaspora contribution in various fields, first Kargil War 1999, second US-India nuclear deal 2008, pressurized US Congress to agree Pakistani support to the jihadis against the India. Fourth, full membership for India's nuclear supplier group. So, what are the disadvantages that we get from the brain drain? First, less tax revenue from the losing income tax. Second, decline in competitiveness. Third, loses potential entrepreneurs. Fourth, it can lead a shortage of the skilled workers. Fifth, reduce confidence in the economy. Sixth, non-economic costs. And seven, lower growth. So what is the solution for the brain drain? If we consider the government schemes, first, Ramanujan Fellowships, it meant for a brilliant Indian scientist from the outside India to take scientific research and positions in India. Second, Vaishvik Bharat Vaidyanik Summit. Under these schemes, numerous overseas Indian origin academicians and Indians participate to form ideas on innovative solutions to several challenges. Third, scheme for transformational and advanced research in the science, which help India's scientific research in social and pure sciences. So from this, I learned that I personally feel it is a morally wrong if you being Indian and settle in abroad. Thank you for watching my videos. Stay tuned for latest interesting topics. Let me in the comment section what topics you want, and also do not forget to subscribe my channel. Dhanyawad.